Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find Trust Wallet public addresses. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Trust Wallet application. Once you have successfully logged into your Trust Wallet account, after that, in order to see public addresses, you just need to simply tap on the Manage Crypto button, and in the search bar you can search for any currency addresses. For example, if you want to see Ethereum address, you can tap on Ethereum, and after that click on receive button at the bottom, and here you can see your Ethereum wallet address along with the QR code. So simply copy this if you want to receive Ethereum from any other exchanges or wallet. And if you want to see Bitcoin public address, so simply in the search bar search for BTC and tap on it, and after that tap on receive button at the bottom and click on copy. So this address is also used to receive Bitcoin from any other exchanges or wallet. And that's how you can find public addresses in Trust Wallet. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.